Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet basket waist stitch. This is a beautiful stitch and you can use this on anything such as to make blankets, baskets, hats, sweaters, and more. And the other side look exactly the same. Alright, let's get started. And we're going to begin by making a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain in multiples of 6. And I'm making 36 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. Once you have the chain made, and to begin round 1, at the end of the chain, add 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my chain is 36 plus 4. Start from the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here. Turn to the back and place a double crochet into the back of the chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again on the next chain. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Double crochet. Basically, on this round, we're placing a double crochet into every chain, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 2, 2 chains. 1, 2, and turn. The 2 chain counts as a stitch. So on the next stitch, this one, place a front post double crochet. That is, yarn over, insert behind the post like this, and finish it like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, on the next stitch, front post double crochet, yarn over, insert behind the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and one more on the next stitch. Now that we have 3 front post double crochet, on the next stitch, on this one, we are going to place a back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert behind the post like this, and finish it like a double crochet stitch. And again, on the next 2 stitches, back post double crochet. And one more. Front post double crochet on the next 3 stitches. One, two, 3. Then back post double crochet into the next 3 stitches. One, two, 3. Basically, we're just alternating front post double crochet and back post double crochet on every 3 stitches. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I just did the 3 back post double crochet. Now on top of the chain stitch, place a double crochet. Just like that. To begin round 3, 2 chains. 1, 2, and turn. This round is a repeat of the last round. Place a front post double crochet, and again front post double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then on the back post double crochet stitches, we're placing 3 back post double crochet stitches. So we're repeating exactly what we did on the last round. Front post double crochet on the next 3 stitches. Then back post double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And this is the repeat. Repeat this all the way to the end. And to count the rows, this is 1 and this is 2. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, the last stitch is always a double crochet into the top of the chain, right here. To begin round 4, 2 chains, 1, 2, and turn. Round 4 is the opposite of the last round. We're going to begin by placing back post double crochet into 3 stitches. One, 2, 3. Then front post double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Back post double crochet, and front post double crochet. And this is a repeat for this round. To begin round 5, 2 chains and turn. And this is a repeat of the last round. Back post double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then front post double crochet into 3 stitches. And repeat this all the way to the end. The stitch is not complicated at all. You just need to alternate on every 2 rounds. So round 6 and round 7 will begin with 3 front post double crochet, then 3 back posts double crochet. Round 8 and round 9 is the opposite. They will begin with 3 back posts double crochet, then 3 front posts double crochet. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!